other time. 'Cause tonight I only share my love with him. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be into places at the same time, believe me, I will share my love with you. Ay, higikapoy na ako. Ginantok na ba ako? Tapusin ko lang ito. Mag-end na rin ako. 2:30 na. Ay, 2:30 na. 11:30 na. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be into places at the same time, believe me, I will share my love with you. Ayan, mega love shoutout. Thank you so much. Inatok na ako sa kabusog ko, no? Kaya, at saka ano na, mag 11:30 na. 11:30 na, mag 11:30 na. Nauna pang Saudi. Ayan, thank you so much, guys. And good evening. And advance good morning sa Pinas. Ayan, thank you so much. Sa mga pa-BG dyan, thank you so much sa support nyo. And God bless you all. Sa mga nandito, Sir L3, mega love shoutout. Ayan, thank you so much. Sir JC, mega love shoutout. Sir Limuel, mega love shoutout. And kapatid JTV, mega love shoutout. Thank you so much, guys. Kahit malit lang yung guest ko, at least nandyan yung naka-full support kayo. Thank you so much and God bless you all. Jesus loves you. Ayan. Nag-enjoy ako kahit hindi tayo marunong kumanta. I-try natin yun para ma-expose yung boses natin. Ayan pa. Ayan. Enjoy lang tayo. Enjoy. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. Ako'y nagpapaalam sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Good night, kapatid JTV. Ayan. Susulit lang din ako sa live. No? Susulit lang ako pag makita ko mag-live tayo. Ayan. Sa mga nag-PGPG dyan, thank you so much. And God bless you all. And good evening. Jesus bless you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, guys. Ayan, paalam na tayo, guys.